is a good reason to keep my gym membership. Feel the burn, buddy.
The following message is being broadcasted on all channels at the request of the freedom fighters and the Mobian government. Please pay attention to this, as it is important for your survival to do so. This is not a test. I repeat, this is in fact not a test. We are very sorry to inform you that on top of the creatures invading this planet, a new threat has joined the fray. Local civilians have reported that a dark shadowy humanoid figure has been seen roaming in many areas and locations. Coincidentally, approximately 15 people have gone missing around the time this shadowy figure arrived. This figure has also been spotted phasing through walls and inanimate objects at will. It is very likely that this darkened anomaly has the dangerous power of killing anyone and any living being that it comes into contact with, while also being able to easily get to its victims by phasing through walls and anything of the sort. In video game terms, it's using cheat codes. All very and funny jokes aside, do not panic. If you see this anomaly in your neighborhood, stay out of sight. However, if it starts walking towards you, it means it has spotted you. In case of this happening, run to the nearest police department and tell them about the situation. They will then do everything in their power to ensure you are safe from this anomalous threat.
It seems this broadcast has been hijacked by unknown forces. To avoid more incidents like this, normal programming will resume. Have a good day, and stay safe.
See? No one is frightened.
Want some candy corn?